In this series of videos, the goal is going to be to acclimate you to how Autodesk 360 can help you manage the work processes that you have to deal with in a typical company environment. So to give you some context for this, I've created a sample company CAD topology here, where we can see that the company is standardized around AutoCAD, but they have branch, main offices, and mobile workers. They have user counts that are typical of a medium-sized company here, and what we can see is that people from the main office commute back and forth to branch offices and/or may be traveling with devices that may or may not actually be able to run AutoCAD. So what we want to see is how we can use the various functionalities within Autodesk 360 to give us some context on how we can manage this imaginary company. Of course, it goes without saying that to use Autodesk 360, all your users will have to have an Autodesk 360 user account. You'll have to go ahead and sign each one of them up with their email address and a secure password. Once you've established your Autodesk 360 account, you can come back to AutoCAD, click here, and use the Sign In to Autodesk 360 link. Now, you'll be prompted to enter in your ID or email address along with your password and sign in. Once the user is logged in, they'll see their email address at the top here, indicating that they've gotten into Autodesk 360 successfully. Now, this is what has to happen before we can go any further, so make sure all your users are set up properly.